A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties, all of New Mexico. The Bernalillo County Police Department is searching for Lily Rodriguez. She is a 10-year-old female with blue eyes and a bow and a black shirt. The suspect is 23-year-old Andrew Smith. He weighs 230 lbs, wearing a blue shirt, wearing Air Jordans. They may be traveling in a 2016 white Ford Explorer with New Mexico license plate EXS 763. If you have any information about the whereabouts of this child, please call 468-7100 or call 911.